Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to get iPoGo on your iOS 14 and iOS 13 device. So what on earth is iPoGo? Essentially allows you to spoof the Pokemon Go game. So if I just tap on this menu right here, I can move to a coordinate that I like, I can clear my items, I can go on the map, and if I tap on snipe here, let's say there's a rare Pokemon, I can just go to that exact coordinate, get the Pokemon, and if I go into settings, there are a ton of cool stuff right here. I saw one which said enhance getting Pokemon. I don't know what that is. Enhance throw right here. So there's a ton of cool stuff that you can do with iPoGo, and it will enhance your Pokemon Go experience. So to get this, you don't need a jailbreak, you don't need a computer, and let me just show you. If I go to the About Page settings, I'm running iOS 14.01 on my iPhone 10, and everything is fully working. So I decided to delete iPoGo from my device so I can start from scratch. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, I want you to go into settings. I want you to find Safari, then clear stream website data right here. Next, I want you to find Wi-Fi, tap on the eye, and then where you see configure proxy, tap on this, set it to automatic, and the URL set it to http://ffapple.com. It will also be in the description if you need it. So then, make sure you tap on save, go back, and just turn off and on Wi-Fi again. Connect to the Wi-Fi network. Now we're good to go to get iPoGo. So we'll be using TuTuBox for this video as it's currently the only working store which has iPoGo. First link you'll need will be TuTuBox. It'll be in the description down below. What I want you to do is just tap on install now, and you might be redirected to like some brand new page or whatever this page says. This is an advertisement, right? If it says malware detected, it's an advertisement trying to get you to download some application from the App Store. Just an ad, right? So just tap on multitasking, close out the page right here, and then that malware just disappears. So we'll scroll down and we'll find the download page. So here's what's up, right? Currently, at the time of recording, Toyola and Kwangdao are the two working certificates with the method I'm about to show you. However, in the future, these certificates might stop working, but you might be able to use other certificates as well. So usually, the top certificates, which are at the top of the page, those are working, and then the other ones at the bottom aren't working. So I'll just tap on Toyola, and again, I was talking about those redirects right here. Whatever this page says, it is an advertisement. Just tap on multitasking, close it out, we'll tap on it again. Now we can see right here, TuTuBox would like to install TuTuBox. We'll tap on install, and now follow everything closely. So we'll tap on install, and then first thing is pause the download, right? Really important you get that done right away. Then go into settings and find Safari and find clear stream website data and clear that one. Now resume the download, but listen to this. You can see currently the progress bars are like 5%. Once it gets to 66%, you're going to see installing. Once you see installing, you have to enable airplane mode right away. If you are too slow, the download will fail. So we'll resume the download. And once we see installing, immediately enable airplane mode. And boom, you can see TuTuBox has installed. Now, if it doesn't install and you are too slow, you just go into settings, clear stream website data again, and try the process again. However, if you try multiple times and you just can't get it to work, what I advise you do is try another certificate on a TuTuBox, and eventually you should get it to work. If you are still struggling and you can't get TuTuBox to install, then what I advise you do is you watch the fix in the description. Essentially, you've installed this certificate before and it revoked on your device, and that's why TuTuBox isn't installing. So now when we try and open it, we have unable to verify app. Now listen to this. Make sure you keep airplane mode on while doing these steps. So we'll go into settings, we'll find general, we'll find device management, we'll tap on enterprise app, and we'll just trust it. Now we should get this pop-up right here. That's fine. Tap on dismiss. Now turn off airplane mode, keep Wi-Fi on, and then just tap on TuTuBox until it opens. Boom, just like that. I've had times we've had to tap on it like 15 times before it opens. If you try more than 15 times and it doesn't open, I advise you delete the app, reinstall, then retry again, and then eventually it should work. If you try 5 times and TuTuBox just isn't opening, I advise you switch to another certificate. So once we're on TuTuBox, we'll tap on search, and we'll search up iPoGo. So you can see right here, iPoGo. We'll tap on get. Install. Now iPoGo will start installing. Now I know a ton of people are still wondering about iSpoofer. iSpoofer shut down, right? And what shut down means is they aren't available anymore. And so what I've done is, instead of removing it, if you search up iSpoofer, it is still available to download, but the version of iSpoofer is just iPoGo. So just keep that in mind, as iPoGo basically has mostly the same features as the iSpoofer application. Now, it will take quite some time before this download starts. You can see it took about 10 seconds, and the download process itself does take a long time. Now, you might be like, do we need to do the same tricks in order to get iPoGo working as we did TuTuBox? The answer is no, because the first time you install applications, you have to do that trick. Second time, as long as you have FFmpeg on inside the settings, you should be good to go. So go to Wi-Fi. Hi, you can see FFmpeg is on, and that is good enough. So all you need to do, as long as FFmpeg is on, the download will work perfectly fine. So I'll cut until the download is almost done. Right, so it's basically almost done, because once it gets to 66%, that means the download is finished, and it just installs onto the device. Again, I don't need to do any special tricks at all, but I do have FFmpeg inside of my Wi-Fi network. That sounded weird, inside of my Wi-Fi network. But anyway, it should virtually be done. For some reason I can't prioritize the downloads here, but you can see installing, and very soon you should see iPoGo should install successfully onto my device. Come on, final hurdle. Oh, Jesus, it's taking so long. It should install. There we go. Boom, just like that. So again, the iPhone hasn't changed if you are concerned. iOS 14.01, iPhone 10, and everything works successfully, which is really cool. So listen to this one very closely. If iPoGo, the Pokemon Go spoofer, is crashing on launch, so you open it, you see the boot logo, which is like this, not that. There you go, that Niantic thing, and then it crashes right after. There are a couple of reasons why this happens. The first one is that your iPoGo version is out of date, and you'll need to update it. Now, that's something that you need to wait for TuTuBox to do. That will be done very quickly. Just leave in the comments saying that TuTuBox is updating. But the second reason is that you are jailbroken, or you've jailbroken before. So if you are jailbroken, you're going to have to unjailbreak in order to use iPoGo. You might be like, why? Well, there's currently no actual jailbreak detection bypass tweak, which is working to allow you to use Pokemon Go. Otherwise, they just have really secure, I mean, recurrent bypass, it doesn't even work, which is mind-boggling. But if you do that, then you should have Pokemon Go, iPoGo working, and then you can use all the features, which is really cool. And again, this isn't the normal version of Pokemon Go. When you're actually in the game, you have all the Pokemon on the right, and again, if you go into settings, you can do all this cool stuff. Honestly, I don't even have a Pokemon Go account, so I don't know really how to use this, but I'm assuming you've done this before if you're watching this video, and now you can get your iPoGo back. So that's the full tutorial of how to install iPoGo on your device in 2020 for Pokemon Go spoofing. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.